The smartphone holder comes packaged in a plastic bag. Take the component parts out. Take the compression nut, slide it over the ball. Take the ball and snap it on to the holder. Tighten it down. And now you're ready to assemble it to the balance. Then place it over the bar, tighten it down, and then lock it into place. And then you are ready to put your cell phone in that position. Now when it's time to take this off, you'll notice that the push buttons are sticky. If you push in and then push the buttons, it'll pop right out.